Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete Reddit history on iPhone. To start, open the Reddit app on your iPhone. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your profile menu where you can access various account options. From the menu, look for the option labeled History. Tap on it to open a list of all the Reddit posts, comments, or videos you viewed recently. In this section, you can manage your activity history. If you want to remove a specific item from your history, scroll through the list to find the one you want to delete. Then, tap on the three dots next to that item, and from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Hide. This action will remove the selected history from your account. If you prefer to delete all your local Reddit history in one step, go back to your profile menu and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the option called Clear Local History. Tap on this option and a confirmation prompt will appear. Once you see the confirmation prompt, tap on the Clear button. This will delete all locally stored Reddit history on your iPhone. Keep in mind that this action only clears history stored on your device and does not affect saved or hidden posts on your account. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to Delete Reddit History on iPhone problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.